Yeah, I'll speak now when you guys do it. Come in here, look. You want to sit in the seat. That's it. Sit in the seat.
Okay. I'll just put my backpack here. Can I look inside?
Yeah.
Hey mate, can I look inside?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, blimey. This is what I like it.
Yeah, that's the pump battery. Yeah, pump. Yeah, it's a bigger one though. It's like that, but wider.
Oh, that's the way to do it. Get the driver. Yeah.
We've got two brakes, we've got an air brake and a seat.
Hey, get a picture, man. You be in the seat. Get a picture. Yeah.
Vacuum brake and an air brake, yeah.
Because we don't trip like it, watch out my butt. Yeah.
All the electronic equipment as well. Yeah, even the latest
Oh, I mean, there's trouble.
when we put the latest stuff on it, it's on
There you go.
and all the equipment's in the tender.
Thank you. Lobby engine, there you guys.
It's alright, yeah.
Yes. Just remember this for YouTube.
Seen you before.
Yeah.
It was a great gathering, was it?
Yeah, it was.
I think
You
you
prob-
on the Footplate there, didn't you?
That's alright.
No, you didn't go. I didn't go up the Footplate that one. It was just because it was too much a crowd. That was.
Where's the reverse? Sit in the seat, go on.
This does it, turn it round,
That's it, come up as well, fine on.
forward and back.
You on a hand or you alright?
You know a lot about this.
Yeah, on a hand, on your lip.
I've only ever driven up 10 minutes down the platform and begin my
Wow,
mouth.
that's the sort of thing.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. What happened to these? Look, that.
Some of them are different. The lady in those is just to leave you fall backwards and
that's
forwards. Very easy. This is a lot more difficult. Takes a lot more turning, yeah.
Oh, I see.
You undo that catch, you turn this round, depending which way you want to go. That moves up and down.
The notches locked onto the cut-off.
Yeah, well, the cut-off's on there.
Okay.
So what do you normally run out when you